Have you ever had a sentence stuck in your throat? A real one. Not because you didn't know the words, but because they felt too heavy to lift, too real to say out loud. I have. There was a season of my life where my silence was the loudest thing about me. If you met me then, you'd have seen a polite smile, a quiet nod. You would have had no idea that just beneath my skin there was a whole universe screaming. My voice didn't disappear. I actually buried it word by word. I'd feel a thought rise up, something true, something me, and I'd physically feel myself swallow it back down. It created this hollow ache right here in my chest. This empty space where my courage was supposed to be. It was safer that way because if I never spoke my truth, no one could ever tell me it was wrong, right? The reasons felt so logical at the time. The fear of being too much, or worse, not enough. The desperate need to keep the peace, to not make waves. So I made myself smaller. I became a master of the polite smile, the agreeable nod, while inside I was a storm of unsent letters and unspoken feelings. And the loneliness, oh God, the loneliness. It's a specific kind of ache, isn't it? To be in a room full of people who think they know you, but only know the quiet, edited version you've allowed them to see. They're hugging a ghost, and you're trapped inside, just praying someone, just someone, will look past the quiet and see the person drowning in it. But here's what I know now that I didn't know then. That silence, it wasn't a void. It wasn't empty. It was a cocoon. Every single word I swallowed, every feeling I pressed down, every I disagree, or this hurts, or I dream of more, that I never uttered, they didn't vanish. They were composed. They were gathering in the dark, breaking down, and building something new, something potent. The pressure built until one day, a crack. For me, it wasn't a roar. It was a whisper, a single, shaky, low, or a fragile I feel. It was so quiet, I almost missed it myself. But that whisper, it was the first brick falling from the wall I built around myself. If you are in that silent place right now, if your throat feels lax and your heart feels full of the things you can't seem to say, I need you to hear me. Your voice is not gone. It is in incubation. The weight you feel in your chest, that's not just pain, that's potential. That is the dense, powerful material of your future strength, your unshakable authenticity waiting to be shaped. That silence, that is the soil where your deepest truth is taking root. There was a time I didn't speak, and I used to see that as a failure. Now I know it was the most important training ground of my life. It taught my voice its value. It taught me that my words, when I finally chose to use them, were worth their weight in gold because they had been forged in the fire of my own silence. Your quiet season is not your whole story. It is the powerful, necessary prelude to the song you were born to sing. Trust the gathering, trust the quiet, and please trust yourself enough to finally whisper.
Like the sunrise breaking through the haze, you color my life in golden rays.
Thank you for trusting me with your time and your heart today. This is Ivy, and this is the Soul First podcast. Everything we explore here is woven from the tapestry of my own life. In fact, I've spent months turning my childhood story of silence into a book called The Unseen Song, a prelude, the first of three parts. And because my journey wouldn't be complete without helping you with yours, I am also launching a beautiful journal and affirmation cards to sit alongside it. This isn't just a launch, it's an invitation to walk a parallel path. To get updates and behind the scenes whispers as we get closer, you can add your name at the soul first 2.wordpress.com. Also visit my Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and YouTube under at IVYMSOUZA 76 and my Facebook under at IVY.M.SOUZ.
First light, you're my dawn, a brand